Hello and welcome to this AI first Notion alternative, and Altor helps you to collect all your information and actually enriches the data. For example, you can make sure that all the websites or the inspiration that you're currently having for a project is combined together and then use this as a prompt for further examination. And it can also uncover hidden insights in your data, and this will help you from brainstorming ideas to actually executing on them and launching software and hardware ideas a lot faster with their generative tools and automatically structured collections. And what's really cool is that they actually store prompts and allow you to build on top of them without having to restart from zero every single time. And it will help you to move faster with the project because you can also automatically summarize pages and chat with it to get deeper insights. So I think it's a really cool way to get started and collect all your data together. And as you can see, it's available now, so you can give it a spin and see how it works for you. So thank you for watching this video about Altor. Have a great day, subscribe for more, and have a productive day. Thanks.